Welcome at BlockchainLab Drenthe, where I would like to invite you to our next blockchain meetup on January 21st. As always, we have a number of very interesting topics for you. Being the first speaker, I will start with talking about what's going on in the blockchain space. News about technology, cryptocurrencies, scams and other developments. Jeroen Wester will talk about the magic of Merkle Trees. Merkle Trees are used in many applications, including Git, BitTorrent and of course almost every cryptocurrency. But how do they work? Should you know about them and what can you do with Merkle Trees? Danny Dreyfus is our third speaker. He will talk about developing applications using Ethereum and give a primer on do-it-yourself smart contracting using Truffle, Infura and OpenZeppelin. As always, lots of interesting topics, so use the link in the description to reserve your spot and join us Thursday, January 21st, 7 o'clock in the evening online.